every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place.
So we just got this order from Amazon. The last time we went to Five Below to buy this, but when we got there we didn't see it, and we asked to go to Raw Dress for less. So we couldn't get it, and we didn't have time to check other stores. We just decided to order it today from Amazon. And this is maternity ball, it's called, pregnancy ball. So let's see.
Free book. Jotter now.
Yeah.
Wow.
Jotter.
Oh, good. That's good.
My memory book.
Oh, okay. To be keeping record. Because after this, you can use, after the baby comes, you can use it as exercise too.
My 5-month-old for 10 months. Oh.
Hey.
Then this
Wow.
So this one, I think just showing
The guidance.
some
Exercise.
you can use.
Wow. That's good.
And this,
The color looks like the matte.
yeah.
This was part.
Oh, so it came with
Inflating. Wow. The price worth it. Oh.
Yeah.
So it comes with the book guide, guys. It comes with the book guide. It comes with this inflator also there. And this one. And I chose big.
Wow.
I just hope it will be like the size.
It will be. One is very big.
Because after delivery, I'll be doing exercise. So guys, I'm glad. I'm also here doing my assignment. I was here doing my assignments. Yeah. And my baby is also here sleeping. He was just disturbing me. He was at my back, pulling my hair, putting his leg inside my shirt. Not knowing says our mother. And it's what the sign in the body what and I have to pick him and see how he is sleeping. Very comfortable. He said he wants jollof. I gave him jollof. This boy. He went for timeout. He was timeout because he was eating so well. All of a sudden, the kid started spitting the food while I was busy doing my assignment. So guys, we getting this ball. Let's inflate it. Then from this by, let me say, yeah, from next week going, I'll start exercising because I need it. So when I'm doing exercise, you guys should know, because we've got the yoga mat already, and I have my water bottle already, and now it was left with the ball.
So okay.
And it has come. Oh, okay. That's why somebody came and knocked. I didn't. Oh, okay.
Oh, maybe that will try.
Yeah.
So this one I have
My
to
hair
be
is
inflated
started.
outside.
Really? Outside.
Car plug.
So it's the car you use?
Yeah.
Bobby said he has to go outside and do, because he has to use the car to do. So when he bring it, then I'll show you guys. And this is how my bum is. My bum is really growing big these days. Like it has been increasing each and every day. Watching me for the first time, my name is Linda. You are welcome to the channel.
The car inflated.
Okay.
We got the charging.
So how long is it going to take you?
I don't think maybe
15 minutes.
maximum.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'll be right back.
Like being pregnant and being a student is not easy. And having a toddler. See my toddler. It's a full tax because If Caleb is awake, you can't do anything. I was here doing my assignment. I've already submitted one assignment while he wasn't asleep. The way I suffered there, it took me upon. And this one that he has, like this one that he's sleeping, I want to do and submit this second one, so that the last one, if he even wake up, his daddy has come, at least I will get time and do. Yesterday, I managed to cook. I managed to just cook. The energy just came because for some weeks or months now, I've not been myself. Last week, I didn't even go anywhere. Oh my God, guys, see, this is really big. Big ball. Oh, this is huge. Wow.
Laying low,
This is huge.
no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room.
This ball.
Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of a heart's pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love,
Can you
no
see the
need
ball? I think this is bigger than the first one.
Yeah.
This ball is bigger than Caleb's time. Goodness, guys. My boy just woke up because of the door opening. So I have to put him back to sleep. Oh my goodness, guys, I love the ball. It's big. Yeah. I think he was sleeping. And the daddy opened the door and he just woke up. So he still half asleep. When Caleb has a good nap, it really helps, bro. So guys, I'll be doing exercise to get ready for the baby, like to get ready to push. I don't know whether I will do that one. I'll talk to you guys later on. And this one will help my waist, like twisting my waist and exercising my whole body, especially my lower abdomen. It's super huge. This ball is big. Let's see, it's super big, and I like the color. It's so good. The color is nice. Watch out for me doing exercise. If this small boy here will not disturb my exercise, I think I'll be doing it when he's in the school. Yeah. Uh-oh. Let's take it. Get it. Uh-oh. Be careful. Good job. Vroom. Guys, what we are doing? We are playing. And baby and I, we are playing. Say you made a car, right? Caleb made a car and we are playing the car. We are just pushing the car, driving our car. Vroom, see? A full track of car. Vroom. Vroom. Beep beep. Uh-oh. So that it will be in the middle. This, you will just be sitting down. minding your business, Caleb will come and drag you. Mommy, come and dance. Daddy, come and dance. Mommy, do this. Daddy, do this. Just imagine. I was editing my videos up there. And this boy, mommy, he just came and dragged me.
No. See.
You're showing to them. Adaya, he has done this car. This beautiful car. So I should come and drive with him. Oh, that's cute. Cute. He's building another one, guys. Wow. My baby is so creative. You don't want to say hi, please. Say hi.
No.
You want mommy to cry?
No.
There's yeah. Caleb has done well. Wow, you're so cute. Let me see. Wow. Let me see. Wow. You guys want to see how you do it.
No, nice.
Oh, nice one. Wow. So you build a house on top of your car.
Yes.
Wow. Congratulations. Well done.
I gathered you all here for one reason. Here to come inside the store and shop a little bit.
No way. Dad, did you hear that? Everything in the store is wine. Fine. I'm in. We'll be over here shopping, Rooney. Yeah.
Yummy.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
I love this.
Thank you, baby. What is it?
Yeah. Do that and that's good.
You're showing them you're eating apple. Guys, you see my baby is serving me. Thank you, baby. Thank you. So I should eat this and take my tea. Thank you, my love. Wow, thank you, baby. See, my baby is serving me. His daddy made breakfast too and kept it over here so that when I wake up, I will pick it. Caleb has packed everything for me here. My tea. So this is my tea. And this is my egg. And this is peanuts. And your this thing is here. You want me to give it to you? I do. You're right. You don't need pillow? Okay. My baby can write though. Caleb, no. He know how to hold pen at his age.